What's up guys, Chris Basil Builds here, doing another tool review for you guys. Today we're going to be checking out the Topdon 1200 Tornado. This charger is pretty cool. I got it sent to me by a group I'm on Facebook that does tool reviews, so excited to have a new little charger to replace a really old trickle charger that I've had for like 20 years. This one's cool because it does AGM, lead acid, or lithium, which I don't have any chargers that are lithium safe. So it's a nice addition that it does that. A lot of new battery technologies coming out, and it's good to have a charger that's safe for that. Also, it is 6-volt capable, so not that that's something I need, but it's good that it does it. I did a little looking in the instructions before I unboxed this thing, and I was reading a little bit about how the charging steps work. This is a small diagram that comes from Topdon in the manual about how it applies the voltage to the battery in different steps. So it's a 5-step process how it charges the battery, interestingly, and I think this is an interesting idea. I think this is smart. So basically what it does is step 1 analyzes the battery and sees its state of charge to determine if the battery is stable. And then the second step is a battery desulfation that uses voltage and high frequency pulses to break down the sulfates that build up in your battery over time. Lead acid batteries, known for sulfation, definitely like in golf carts and these small batteries. This is going to be the one we're going to be testing today. It's just a Durastart size 16 battery for a Sea-Doo. And that's commonly what happens with these is they get sulfated because if you don't, well, the climate that I'm at, it's seasonal. We don't ride jet skis all year. It's really just in the summertime. So in the winter, your batteries sit around, they get cold, they get sulfated. And then step 3 is basically the bulk charge that returns you to 80% from wherever you start. Number 4 is a slow charge, more of a absorption charge. And then 5 would be float charge, so trickle, if you will. Super cool. I'm going to get this thing taken out, plug it in, and then we will hook it up to the battery and see what it does. Okay, so here we are. Charger's plugged in. It looks like it's on lithium mode. This is a 1.2 amp for 12 volt or 1.2 amp for 6 volt charger, and it will work on 100 volt AC or 240 volt AC, and it draws 25 watts maximum. So very low draw, very good for a lot of different stuff. Let's see, we'll set it to AGM. There we go, AGM. Go ahead and connect it up. Give it a push for charge. So in the manual it says you click the mode button to get you to your type of battery, and then you push the mode button once and then it lights up solid white indicating that it's charging. So now it's doing its analysis. This battery's not dead. In fact, it should be probably somewhere in the 80% charge range. So it's looking like it's analyzing it pretty good and looking like we're pretty close to where we need to be. The white dots indicate that it's to that level, and the flashing white indicates that it's charging. So first impressions, awesome, love it. Topdon, in my opinion, makes some pretty good stuff. I really like that this thing looks like it can be mounted. This could be cool for a lot of different stuff. I am going to probably predominantly be using this on power sport batteries or a maintainer for like the battery on the winch for my trailer, or I've got some extra spare batteries that came from vehicles that we don't have anymore. Had a couple cars go to the scrapyard with good batteries. So just being able to sort of maintain the fleet of batteries is super good. And my previous charger I was using for this is a really old Schumacher charger it's not even rated for AGM batteries. This thing's from, I don't even know, like 2002 or something. So super cool charger. Topdon makes a good product. Super excited to be testing it, and thank you so much for sending it to me, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Chris Basil Builds. Another tool review coming at you. If you guys have any questions, I will post a link to this charger in the description of the video on Amazon. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to email me. Links in the bottom of the video. And feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Chris Basil Builds out.